is a word problem. So it says a certain brand of razor blades comes in packages of 6, 12, 24, consisting of $2, $3, and $4 per package. A store sold 12 packages containing a total of 162 razor blades and took in $35. How many packages of each type were sold? Okay, so the first thing we can look at is the number of packages. So the number of packages, we know that we bought a package of 6. So packages of 6, let's call those X. Packages of 12, let's call those Y. And packages of 24, let's call those Z. And we know that all together, it should give us a total of 12 packages. So that's the equation for packages. And then we have the number of razors. So the numbers of razors, in the first package, it comes in 6. So we're going to have 6x plus the second packages come in 12 and the third come in 24. And altogether, the total number of razors was 162. And then the third situation is the cost. So we know that the 6 packages cost $2. The 12 one costs $3, and the 24 one costs $4. And altogether, we made $35. So we have 3 equations: x plus y plus c equals 12, 6x plus 12y plus 24z equals 162, and 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals 35. So we can number these to keep track of them, and then we can use the same method. So I'm going to use equation 1 and equation 2. And I'm going to choose to get rid of the x's. So I'm going to multiply this by -6. So that becomes -6x minus 6y minus 6z is equal to -72. And this equation remains the same. So if we add them, we get 6y plus 18z is equal to 90. So that's equation number 4. So now I'm going to use equation 1 and equation 3. And again, I'm going to cancel out the x's. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by -2. And the third equation will just remain the same. So the x's will become 0. -2y plus y is y, plus 2z is equal to 11. So that's equation 5. So now I use equation 4 and 5 and solve the system for those 2 equations. So I'm going to get rid of the y, multiply that by -6. And the top stays the same. 18z minus 12z is 6z. Divide that by 6. So z is equal to 4. So we're going to back substitute. into equation 4 or 5. I'm going to choose equation number 5. So here we know that Z is equal to 4. Subtract 8, so Y is equal to 3. And then finally back substitute to the original equation. So here we know that Y is 3, Z is 4. Subtract 7. So we get 5. So my solution is X is 5, Y is 3, and Z is 4. It's a word problem, so we can write a sentence. 5 packages of 6, 3 packages of 12, and 4 packages of 24 were sold.